Imagine looking into the night sky where countless stars blaze like distant fires across an infinite canvas, and suddenly realizing that hidden among them exist regions where the universe itself bends and breaks the rules we take for granted. These are black holes, cosmic abysses where matter, energy, space, and time collapse into forms that defy comprehension, where light itself cannot escape, and where the familiar laws of physics are stretched to their limits. To contemplate a black hole is to confront the most extreme aspects of reality, a confrontation that is both terrifying and beautiful, a place where human imagination strains against the limits of understanding. From afar, they are invisible, yet their presence is undeniable. They shape galaxies, consume stars, bend light, and imprint themselves not through visibility, but through absence, through the distortion of everything that dares to approach. They are cosmic enigmas, shadows cast by the fundamental forces of nature, a reminder that the universe is stranger and more complex than our senses or instruments can fully grasp. If you imagine approaching one, the experience becomes almost unbearable to conceptualize. To a distant observer, time appears to slow as you near the event horizon, the point of no return. Your motions seem to freeze, stretched into an endless visual suspension. Yet for you, the traveler, the fall continues inexorably, silent and inevitable. Crossing the event horizon is not a dramatic act. It is a surrender to a gravity so extreme that space and time themselves are warped, where the familiar framework of cause and effect no longer functions. Beyond that boundary lies a singularity, a point of infinite density and curvature, where matter collapses, space and time merge, and the universe reveals its ultimate paradoxes. It is a place where before and after lose meaning, where the questions of existence, destruction, and creation converge, and where our understanding falters in awe. Inside a black hole, matter is crushed toward an infinitely dense singularity. Information paradoxes arise. What becomes of the stars, planets, and perhaps civilizations swallowed by these cosmic titans? Are they annihilated completely, erased from existence, or do they persist in a hidden, encoded form, embedded within the structure of space-time itself? This dilemma is one of the most profound in modern physics, bridging science and philosophy, and forcing us to confront the limits of knowledge. The very act of pondering these questions reminds us that our perception of reality is provisional, that there are domains of existence forever beyond observation, and that the search for understanding is as much an emotional and imaginative pursuit as it is an intellectual one. Yet black holes may not only destroy, they may also create. Some physicists propose that singularities could act as seeds for new universes, birthing realities hidden within the folds of space-time. Imagine each black hole as a cosmic womb, a hidden beginning emerging from the collapse of matter. Perhaps our own universe originated from such a birth in a parent cosmos, a universe born from the singularity of a black hole in some unimaginable realm. This perspective transforms black holes from mere destroyers into participants in the eternal cycles of creation and transformation, linking endings with beginnings and highlighting the profound interconnections of matter, energy, space, and time across unimaginable scales. Beyond their physics, black holes serve as mirrors of the human mind, reflecting both our curiosity and our fear of the unknown. They confront us with absence, invisibility, and extremes of power that cannot be directly observed yet shape the cosmos profoundly. Supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun, anchor galaxies, regulate star formation, and orchestrate cosmic architecture. Their gravitational influence determines the fate of stars and planetary systems, showing us that true power often lies in unseen forces that operate quietly, subtly, yet with absolute consequence. They teach lessons about balance, influence, and the invisible forces that shape existence, both in the cosmos and metaphorically in our lives. Time near a black hole behaves in ways that defy intuition. Seconds stretch and dilate near the event horizon, while the traveler experiences a swift, inexorable descent. Time becomes a flexible, malleable dimension, reminding us that our ordinary experience of temporal flow is limited, relative, and contingent upon context. Black holes teach us that perception shapes reality, that the universe is relational, and that existence is more complex and subtle than our everyday understanding allows. They invite contemplation of time, memory, and causality, and challenge the certainty we place in linear progressions of past, present, and future. The aesthetics of black holes are equally profound. Accretion disks blaze with luminous intensity, jets of particles erupt across light years, and light itself bends into elegant halos under extreme gravity. This spectacle combines terror and beauty, creating a vision of sublime chaos, where immense power coexists with astonishing order. Black holes are laboratories not only of physics, but of contemplation, teaching that the extremes of the universe are intertwined with harmony, and that observation of these extremes invites reflection on the nature of existence, perception, and the sublime itself. Philosophically, black holes are humbling. Despite our most sophisticated instruments and the most advanced mathematics, we encounter the boundaries of comprehension. The singularity represents ultimate mystery, a limit where certainty ceases and the unknowable begins. In confronting these regions, we confront our own limitations and the provisional nature of understanding. The pursuit of knowledge becomes an act of wonder and humility, a recognition that the universe is far larger, stranger, and more intricate than our intellect can contain, and that curiosity must coexist with acceptance of uncertainty. Gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by merging black holes, provide unprecedented insight into cosmic events billions of years past. Each detection transmits a story of colossal energies, revealing processes that would otherwise remain invisible. These waves are bridges between theory and observation, past and present, chaos and structure. Through them, black holes communicate across time and space, offering glimpses into the hidden mechanics of reality and expanding our comprehension of gravity, energy, and cosmic evolution. Even when unseen, black holes dominate cosmic architecture. Their presence is felt in the motion of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the orchestration of cosmic dynamics. Their influence illustrates that significance need not be visible to exist, that power can operate silently yet completely, shaping reality in subtle and profound ways. This lesson resonates beyond astrophysics, suggesting that unseen forces, whether cosmic or human, can determine outcomes, structure complexity, and create enduring influence. At the singularity, matter is compressed to infinite density, space-time becomes indeterminate, and conventional notions of sequence, causality, and duration lose meaning. Yet from this extreme collapse may emerge creation. Within the paradoxes lie lessons about order within chaos, beginnings entwined with endings, and the deep interconnection between absence and presence. The universe, through black holes, teaches that mystery is intrinsic to reality, that extremes coexist with structure, and that the unknown is not to be feared, but explored. Black holes embody thresholds, confronting us with impermanence, uncertainty, and awe-inspiring power. They are laboratories for understanding the limits of physics, metaphors for human curiosity, and gateways to reflection on existence itself. They demand humility and imagination, encouraging contemplation of time, space, consciousness, and the very nature of reality. Through observation, simulation, and theory, we engage with these cosmic phenomena, not only scientifically, but emotionally and philosophically, exploring the universe while exploring ourselves. Their influence extends to the very structure of galaxies, where supermassive black holes govern the motion of billions of stars. Their gravitational pull organizes stellar populations, regulates star formation, and shapes cosmic evolution over billions of years. In this, they exemplify the delicate balance between chaos and order, destruction and creation, absence and presence. Their paradoxical nature reflects the dualities we encounter in life: endings and beginnings, destruction and growth, invisibility and profound influence. Black holes also illustrate the flexibility and relativity of time. Observers far from the event horizon perceive time differently than those near it, revealing that temporal experience is contingent, not absolute. This relativity challenges our understanding of life, memory, and causality, encouraging philosophical reflection on the nature of existence. Black holes teach that perception is inseparable from reality, and that the universe is far more complex than human intuition alone can grasp. The extraordinary visual phenomena associated with black holes, from accretion disks to relativistic jets, are spectacles of cosmic beauty and power. Light bends into ethereal arcs, matter spirals in violent yet mesmerizing patterns, and energy erupts with breathtaking intensity. These manifestations are reminders that the universe operates on scales both violent and sublime, that beauty can emerge from extremes, and that understanding requires both observation and imagination. Black holes challenge human arrogance. They reveal the limits of measurement, the boundaries of comprehension, and the necessity of humility. Even the most advanced theories encounter horizons they cannot cross, yet these challenges inspire inquiry, creativity, and wonder. By studying black holes, we learn that knowledge is provisional, that mystery is inherent, and that the pursuit of understanding is as valuable as its attainment. Through gravitational waves, light distortions, and cosmic interactions, black holes communicate the stories of the universe. Each signal, each observation, reveals patterns of matter and energy shaped by forces beyond ordinary perception. They offer insight into events that occurred billions of years ago, linking past with present, theory with reality, and chaos with structure. In listening to these cosmic echoes, we engage with a universe that is alive with complexity, mystery, and profound interconnectedness.